How to delete a project in Adobe Acrobat application. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Are you trying to remove a PDF project from the Adobe Acrobat app? If yes, follow through the steps. First of all, launch open Adobe Acrobat application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside, from the home screen, you'll be able to see the Files tab from the bottom center. Tap on it. Now from the Files section, go ahead and find one of the categories and open up a file you want to delete. Once you're inside the page, go ahead and tap the three dot right next to the file you want to delete, and then in the pop-up, click on Delete from the bottom. Confirm the deletion by tapping Delete once again. Right after you do that, you'll be able to delete a file or a project in Acrobat. That way, you can delete your unwanted PDF projects from your application. Repeat this step for every other deletion you want to make. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.